The customer was complaining about the vibration on the braking, so he asked us to replace brake pads and discs. The Ford Fiesta with this exhaust, he failed an MOT because of the gases, as you can see. I'm too fucking big for this. Kurwa, Marian.
Ein kaputt. It's coming.
Right, so we just performed the battery change in full service on this car. Oil filter, air filter, diesel filter. Taking the caliper off, now he's taking the brake disc off. He is replacing both. I've already done the other side, just switching it off. The customer was complaining about the vibration on the braking, so he asked us to replace brake pads and discs. So obviously, as you can see, Marian trying to take the brake disc off, but if you got one screw, we don't have to tell him, he can figure out himself.
Yes, exactly.
Instead of using the brain, he uses a hammer, you know, and he finds out later. But yeah, hopefully we'll be finished soon, because I'm just finishing my 2 screws and putting the wheel back on. In like 20 minutes we got another car for the exhaust on a Ford Fiesta on the failed MOT, so we'll have to change the exhaust in it. There you go, brake pad, brake disc off.
You're done.
I need my light.
Yes.
Give me, oh fucking hell. Give me half an hour. Give me. I'm too fucking big for this. Kurwa, Marian. Medium. Oła! O! Pierdolę. Kurwa mać!
You need to cleaning there.
Huh?
To cleaning that.
What?
There. To cleaning.
It's got the seal, kurwa. I don't need to clean nothing here. It's
A
clean.
bit from rust to not take the seal because you have the new one.
I'm trying to. Here is not that bad with the rust, to be honest with you. You know, it's okay, it's not bad. Give me kurwa everything.
One second.
Someone has to help me, no? Kurwa Mariano? Or you want to do everything here on my own? And can you get me nuts? Get it from your box. Now this?
For my.
Yeah, your nuts, yes, yeah. Your big nuts. Mine are too small to hold this, actually. Kurwa mać.
That you have 13.
Yes. I have 30. What do you want? 30.
So I'm ready here. I need only to close.
Alright?
Yeah.
No problem, frate, kurwa. Easy,
Frate,
mate.
kurwa, I need the 13 key.
You can have 14?
14 key, yeah, give me. Okay, this is perfect.
Perfect. No problem, mate. No problem. You'd be 16 again to buy that.
Good? I'm kaput. That's it. For today, that's it. It's coming.
Much more good. Needs some time to warm up. Now we need to go lay there.
Oh, that one.
What? The valving. It's going out here somewhere, no? Uh-huh. Right guys, so we had the Ford Fiesta with this exhaust. He failed an MOT because of the gases. As you can see, it's rusted the fuck. We've actually broken it off while taking it apart. This is the other part of the exhaust. We have to replace the whole pipe. It's all done now. The customer is going to go for a retake of the MOT now, and hopefully we'll pass. There won't be no other issues. As this was the biggest issue. We've done the ball joint for him, full service, bits and bobs already. I'll probably see a few other videos of it. But yeah, he came back with a rotten exhaust again. I tried to seal it a little bit here, but obviously it still failed. So we replaced the whole thing. Right, so we just performed the battery change and full service on this car. Oil filter, air filter, diesel filter. So Marian's already put the new battery in. I've just put the oil, I put new filter in, he just put oil back in and new oil filter, so that's done. Another customer, another happy customer. We've done a Ford earlier, now BM, now we've got to go drop
I love BM.
Now we've got to pass that back to the customer. It's up to him what he wants to do with it. Now we've diagnosed the issue and we've got to pick up a ban for the gearbox, right? There's something wrong with it. It doesn't go into, well, it goes into fifth, but it doesn't want to come out, so we need to clean it all out and see what's going on there, whether it's just cables for the gear stick or actual gearbox dead. So we'll find that out soon. That's it.